Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Messenger account in 2023. So let's get started, let's get into it. So first all you need to do is to go on Messenger. This is the message. You will see the no message found because I don't have any conversation with people. So let me show you how you can deactivate the Messenger account. Now as you all know that Messenger is linked with Facebook. If you wanna deactivate your Facebook account, it automatically deactivates the Messenger account. But without deactivating the Facebook account, how you can deactivate the Messenger account? So you can simply go with messenger.com. Once here you will see the interface like this, and on the top left corner, on the bottom of this, you will see the my profile. So you will see a lot of different options. You can log out, try Messenger for Windows, help, report a problem. But how you can deactivate? But simply click on preferences. You will see the active status is turned on. You can turn this off, and here we go. Simply click on save. Now your active status is off, and now you can turn off the notification sounds, and you can turn on do not disturb. And after you click on that, you will see on a certain period of time you can how long you can mute the notification. So you have to click on until switched off. Click on next, and here we go. So now you're officially deactivating your account, and it will not be able to get any notification until you turn this on. So this is how you can deactivate the Messenger account without deactivating the Facebook in 2023. So this is how you can deactivate the account. And if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.